down!
Watch, lad.
You piece of shit!
Get the juice.
Get the juice. Hands up, bad.
And then ye talking about a good mate of mine, Isaac. Ye wouldn't be good enough to hold Isaac's fucking shirt, you fucking piece of shit. Telling you get a Connors man for him. You send him to fucking me, you fucking scumbag.
You piece of shit.
Move!
Don't put anything in it yet.
Look at this. Ah, go on, lad. Look at that, lad, for God's sake. Is that the real deal?
As we got proper ammunition, lads.
Now watch. Now, as I said, get your heroes, Masham Connors, and get the Roonies. The newborn Christian fella from around Market Harbour who said he'd come to me. You get him.